Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this electric orb effect in UE5.4 Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. So first we need, because this is an orb, it's a round, so we need a texture, a ring texture. We can create that in Photoshop, but I will do that in material. So I will just make a material for ring and I'll rename it M ring. Okay. So let it open, and because this is electric effect, everything should be like additive and bright. So I'll just use it as additive. We can do it later. So I'll just do it in unlit for now. Okay. And it's just black board. So for ring, we can take a radial.